Prince Harry jokes about sharing evidence with Meghan kids after court appearance. Is Naughty Harry back? Prince Harry cheekily said that he would share top-secret evidence from his lawsuit against the Mirror Group newspaper with his wife, Meghan Markle, and their 2 kids. On Tuesday, the Duke of Sussex appeared in London's High Court of the Royal Courts of Justice to testify against British tabloids Daily Mirror, Sunday Mirror and Daily Express, after they allegedly hacked into his phone in 2004. After taking the stand, per People, Harry was instructed to not share the sensitive content of the trial as he returned home to California. However, his naughty personality peeked through as he asked if he could clue in Markle, as well as their kids, Prince Archie and Princess Lilibet, during a FaceTime call. The Duke, who sported a blue suit with a purple tie for his court appearance, didn't hold back in his testimony, where he described growing up with a lack of privacy and being scrutinized in the papers. Tabloids would routinely publish articles about me that were often wrong, but interspersed with snippets of truth, which I now think were most likely gleaned from voicemail interception and/or unlawful information gathering, Harry claimed. He explained the tabloids managed to find out about every platonic and romantic relationship he has ever been in, and aired them to the masses, adding, "There's always been a third party involved, namely the tabloid press." Harry continued, "Having seen me grow up from a baby being born into this contractual relationship without any choice and scrutinized my every move, the tabloids have known the challenges and mental health struggles that I have had to deal with throughout my childhood and adult life, and for them to then play on that and use it to their own advantage, I think is, well, criminal." The Duke's testimony was given 1 day late after he was a no-show on the first day of the trial. Page 6 revealed that the Duke's late arrival was due to him celebrating Lilibet's 2nd birthday on Sunday. Harry's lawyer, David Sherborne, apologized on his behalf and claimed he had departed from California late Sunday. His travel arrangements are such, and his security arrangements are such that it is a little bit tricky, Sherborne told Judge Timothy Fancourt. During the trial, MGN apologized for unlawfully gathering information during one instance. However, they denied Harry's accusations that they hacked his phone. In the grueling apology, MGN admitted journalists hired private investigators to follow Harry at a nightclub he frequented back in 2004. Prince Harry reportedly jokes about sharing evidence from phone hacking trial with his and Meghan Markle's kids. Lightening the mood, Prince Harry reportedly cracked a joke about sharing evidence from his lawsuit against Mirror Group newspapers with his children, after taking the stand to testify against the media company on Tuesday, June 6. Harry, 38, was instructed not to share confidential evidence from the trial when he returns home to California, where he lives with wife Meghan Markle, 41, and their children, son Archie, 4, and daughter Lilibet, 2. The Duke of Sussex responded by cheekily asking if the restriction on sharing evidence applied to his children, as he might be connecting with them on a FaceTime call, per Newsweek. The prince's joke came after he testified against the publisher of the Daily Mirror for allegedly hacking phones to obtain information about him. At one point, Harry told the court that he was not sure whose phone was allegedly hacked before a story about him injuring his thumb appeared in the press. The admission prompted Andrew Green, a lawyer for Mirror Group newspapers, to ask, "Are we not, Prince Harry, in the realms of total speculation?" The Archewell co-founder replied that he was not the one who wrote the article. Earlier on Tuesday, Harry's witness statement was released. In the document, he claimed that alleged press intrusion led to the demise of his relationship with ex-girlfriend Chelsea Davy, whom he dated on and off from 2004 to 2010. These factors led her to make the decision that a royal life was not for her, which was incredibly upsetting for me at the time, he wrote. Elsewhere in the 55-page statement, Harry called out a 2002 article titled "Plot to Rob the DNA of Harry," which fueled already widespread speculation that King Charles III was not his biological father. The story came as Harry was still grieving his mother, Princess Diana's death. Diana died in August 1997 following a car crash, after she was pursued by paparazzi. She was 36 years old at the time, when I was 18 years old and had lost my mother just 6 years earlier. Stories such as this felt very damaging and very real to me, he wrote. They were hurtful, mean, and cruel. The BetterUp CIO, who relocated to the United States with Meghan in 2020 after stepping down from their roles as senior royals, has filed 3 lawsuits against several British tabloid publishers. His case against the Mirror Group became the first to go to trial on Monday, June 5. Harry's Tuesday testimony marks the first by a senior member of the royal family since the 19th century. Before he even took the stand, The prince made headlines by not attending the trial's opening statements on Monday. His lawyer David Sherborne explained that Harry wasn't available as he was flying to the UK after celebrating Lilibet's second birthday in California on Sunday, June 4th. The Mirror Group's legal team subsequently accused the Spare author of wasting the court's time, calling his absence absolutely extraordinary. Sherborne defended his client, noting that Harry is in a different category from the three other claimants due to his travel and security arrangements. Judge Timothy Fancourt, for his part, told the attorney that he was a little surprised by the Duke's absence,